Hi, I'm Jeremy Swanson. I'm your child's 7th grade math teacher this year. And I wanted to start off by introducing myself so you can put a name to the face, a face to the name, however you want to look at it. What we're going to discuss today is I'm just going to go through the resources that I use in class and that you can use at home to help your child be successful this year. So let's start off by looking at my website. This is probably one of the most important things for you guys at home to help your child. This front page, I have my contact information and expectations throughout the year. So feel free to read over that and let me know if you have any questions. We got the Ohio Learning Standards right here, so if you want to take a look at those as well. Up at the top here, I've got a different subpage for each topic that we go throughout this year. So let's look at topic 1. Each lesson has some resources. We might have some YouTube videos. I've got down here some flashcards and decimal games and different things to help your child prepare for the math test for each topic. Because my goal this year is to kind of help the students learn how to prepare for math tests. That's a difficult thing to learn, and that is what I'm going to work with them to progress on becoming a good math test taker as well as learning the material. So we're learning that to prepare for math tests, you have to practice. And here are some of the resources to go over it. Topic 2, proportional relationships. And so then you can see all the different things that we would go through throughout the year. If you click on more, you can see all the different topics as well throughout the year. Another resource then is Google Classroom. Everything we do is through Google Classroom. So if you guys log on, if you are actually following your child's class, what you can see is what is coming up due over the next week. What they see is when they log in, they can see any notes that we have and the different resources that we use in class. Under classwork is where I post every assignment, whether it's games, homework, tests, everything is in here, and it's listed under the date. So, for example, today we did Intro to Ratios. If you click on that, you can see what the expectations are. If they're at home, they watch the video. If they're in class, we have the personal instruction. We have some practice, Ratio Blaster, and then we have the assignment. So that's everyday expectations are to click on that and see what's going on. The other part you should be aware of then is our textbook. And you can access the textbook by going to this front stream page. And this first sign in Google accounts is what you're going to click on. The kids, you would need your child's school Google account to get into Google Classroom and to get into the textbook because they're linked. So you have to click on that, and we've got several different things. Math Excel we use for quizzes, different things, but that'll be all in class use. The other stuff, Success Maker, that is a remedial program, helps intervene in some areas that your child may be struggling with or something they missed previous years. And that's something we're going to work on. We'd like to get like an hour in each week on Success Maker to try and help fill gaps and help move forward. Maybe they're working at 7th grade level. Success Maker can help them advance a year. Then we have Envision and Digits. These are the same thing, really. We pull homework assignments from either or. One is just an older version, reordered. But this is their textbook. So if you go in right here, you or they can see each lesson that we go through in class. The other part of it then is the classes. If you click on classes, they can click on math. They might have one for language arts, and they can see all the different assignments that they have in there. Their page will look a little bit different than this. Theirs has not started, in progress, and completed. And so they need to make sure to check both tabs of not started and in progress. Assignments should be done at least to 70% before they're submitted. And then if there's, as long as the homework is usually turned in before the test, I usually give them full credit, or the quiz. The whole point of the homework is to prepare for tests and quizzes. So if you have any questions, comments about any of this, then feel free to email me. Remember, my email is at jswanson@springboro.org, or you can call me. My extension here at school is 2414. I'm always available, willing to work with any situation that arises. I'm flexible. I understand my class is not the end of the world. It's not the beginning of the world. It's just a little part in their development, and I'm here to help. So let me know what I can do to help. All right, have a good one.